Good morning, my dear cuties. How are you, everyone? Cuties, fine, cuties. Super dear. Last class, we learn about the different food poster making, recycling the food, how to draw the recycled food, safe foods. All come under that one. Today, class, we are going to learn about the different forms of visual arts. What are the different forms of art? What are the different forms? Okay, dear. Why I am choosing this one is you have to learn about what are the different forms. It's in our visual arts. Okay, dear, is all the commanders of the elements and principle of art, dear. Today class is going to learn about I am going to give introduction about the different forms of visual arts, different forms of art. One thing, what are the things means drawing, painting, sculptures, calligraphy, photography. The five things is important in for different forms of art. These things are the main built over the visual arts things. Drawing, painting, sculptures, calligraphy, and photography. Okay, what is meant by drawing? You have to draw anything, yeah, using the color pencils. Using lines, shapes, colors. Everything is come under the drawing. Yeah, main things is the line and shape too. You have to draw. Yeah, dear, that is the drawing. What are the things, materials you are going to draw? Means pencil, pen, charcoal. What is meant by pencils means we have the different pencils. Because why, ma'am, what is this means? Different pencils you draw. Yeah, seriously, because we have a lot of pencils for drawing. It's come under the different shadings. You have to represent the different shading. That's why using the pencils. And just show the pencils for your reference also, dear. Next one is the pen, ballpoint pen. Using the normal pens, no, it's also for use for the drawing purposes only. And one more thing is a charcoal. What is meant by charcoal means it's a shading type pencils. It highlight your drawings. It's give the dark shade of your drawing. That's why it's a charcoal. It's come under the black material things. Okay, dear. This is a different types of pencils. It's a see here, baby. I buy this one, baby. Faber-Castell company. It's a different pencils. This is totally 6 pencils in the box. 6 pencils in the box. Today class I am going to teach about the only drawing, dear, and then we will start drawing. Next we go with the painting, sculptures, calligraphy and photography. See, dear, 6 pencils. What is why we choosing the 6 pencils means is a different shadings. See, dear, 3B, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B. Yeah. See here, it mentioned here. This pencil is mentioned the black mark 2B. This is a 2B pencil. It's a single shading just for your outline drawing. That's why using the 3B. This is 3B. That one is 2B. 5B. Yeah, this is a 5B. See the different edges. See here. This is 6B. 4B. This is a 4B. This is the last one, 8B. Why it means see the comparison. It's a 4B, it's a 8B. See the edges, baby. It's an outline drawing, it's a shading, that's why. So 6 types of pencil, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B. This is a drawing pencils. This is a charcoal pencils. These two are the charcoal pencils. These two are the charcoal pencils. It's a Camlin company. We have the 3 types in the charcoal pencil also. I bought only 2 only, baby. Soft, neutral, medium also there. Soft, medium and neutral. These 3 pencils for the charcoals. I will show the pictures for your reference also, dear, next class. And this class just I gave the introduction about what is meant by drawing, what are the different forms of visual arts, what are the different types of visual arts. Forms of visual arts means drawing, painting, sculptures, calligraphy, photography. These 5 one. First one is a drawing. What is a drawing means? It's a different types of shapes drawing. It's a eye to hand coordinations. It's improve our concentration level also. Okay dear, that's why I'm choosing the first one is a drawing. What are the drawing means? Pencil drawing, pen drawing, charcoal drawing. I show the pencil for a reference also. What are the pencils are there in for drawing? What are the charcoal pencils? Yeah, these are the pencil and the pen also. It's for common at the pen drawing. Okay dears, next class I'm going to teach about the painting. What is meant by painting? Okay, next class on the sculptures, calligraphy, photography. I just give the introduction and show the images for our next class also dear. Okay dear, take care of your health, drink lot of water, stay home dear, take care dear, bye, love you babies, bye.